Have you ever wanted to charge your devices or power your appliances while you're out boondocking? One great way to do this is by using the power of the sun. If you're looking for an easy solution without the need to drill holes in the roof of your RV, then the Samlex MSK portable solar charging kits are your best bet. Our panels are powerful enough to charge the batteries in your RV, and that's why thousands of travelers are investing in these solar panels to stay connected while out on the road. With this demand in mind, we've created two sets of trifold solar panels. The smaller unit puts out 90 watts, while the larger unit has an output of 135 watts. Each Samlex MSK kit comes with the charge controller and all the necessary wires already built in, which means the installation process is very straightforward. All you have to do is unfold, plug in, and start charging. All of our MSK kits come with a conveniently insulated carrying case that also protects the panels for storage. Inside the case, you will find the trifold panel. The 3-panel design folds up smaller than other portable kits, which makes it very easy to store and travel with. If you have a larger battery bank in the RV, go for the 135 watt panel. Otherwise, the smaller 90 watt unit should do the trick for your setup. Two adjustable legs on the back of these kits let you perfectly position the panel to maximize sun exposure, which is crucial in getting the most out of your charging kit. Connecting to your battery is easy with the included battery clamps, which make a quick and easy connection to any 12-volt deep cycle battery. Our MSK kits come with a 16-foot long cable, which is ideal if you want to park in the shade and still get decent sun exposure on the panels. As an added bonus, if your RV is solar ready, you'll be happy to hear that the Samlex MSK kits include the 2-pin bullet adapter, which makes plugging into solar-ready RVs convenient and easy. Think you're ready to go solar? Then don't hesitate to go to your nearest RV dealership and grab your very own Samlex MSK portable solar charging kit today. And if you have any questions about how to get set up or which model is right for you, our technical experts are just a phone call away.